Hi, welcome to my channel, JaberTime, where I do math videos from algebra to calculus and differential equations, simplified with examples. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. And once again, I want to thank you for watching and hope to see you again and again. Thank you. Okay, let's talk about average cost and marginal cost. The cost function c of x gives the cost to produce the first x items in a manufacturing process. The average cost to produce x items is the total cost of x items divided by how many items you have. So c of x over x. Sometimes I put the bar right here, horizontal or all the way myself, just to distinguish between this little tick mark that represents derivative. The marginal cost, C prime, is the approximate cost to produce one additional item after producing x items. Now this is too dry still, but those are the main ideas that I'm going to go over with examples. So let's take an example. Consider the following cost function. C of x equals 1000 plus 0.1x. We're going from 0 to 5000 items, and we are concerned about a equals 2000 items. This to me means we start with a cost of 1000 and we're moving on with 0.1 every single step. Just to give you an idea. It's like b plus mx. Find the average cost and the marginal cost functions. The average, you just divide the total by x. So you divide 1000 plus 0.1x, that's c of x by x. You divide this by x and you divide this by x. This is over x, as you could see right there. 0.1x over x, x will cancel, so I get 0.1. The marginal cost is m or c prime. What's the derivative of c? It's just a slope. The derivative of this cancels. The derivative of this is 0.1, so it's just 0.1. Because we're speaking money right here, this is going to be a dollar sign 0.10. That's the meaning of it. Part B. Determine the average cost and the marginal cost when x equals a. In our case, 2000. You just have to plug in the number. At a equals 2000, just plug in the number in C with a bar on it as an average. 0.6. 60 cents. The marginal cost is C prime of 2000, which is 0.1. That's 60 cents here on average for each item. This one is 10 cents. What does it mean? It means the following. Means the average cost per item when you produce 2000 items is 60 cents per item. The cost of producing the next item is only 10 cents. For the first time it could be confusing, but it's so simple, by the way. Let's just practice and I'll explain more as we go. Here's another example. This time I picked a second degree, so I could show you more. Negative 0.04 x to the second plus 100x plus 800. We're going from 0 to 1000, and we are concerned about 500 items. Find the average cost and the marginal cost. Just use the formulas and plug it in. Average cost, marginal cost. Marginal cost is the derivative. Just simple algebra if you know the formula, nothing much. That's why I'm not reading it, to save you time. But I'm keeping them on the same slide. You determine the average cost and the marginal cost when x equals 500. Just plug them in. Plug in 500 here, plug in 500 here. And I have it for you. What does it mean? It means the following. The average cost per item when you produce 500 items is about $81.60. To produce one more, it's going to cost you only $60. You plug it in, C prime. Let me explain. Let me call it a bonus now. C prime is 100 minus 0.08x. C prime is 100 minus 0.08x. C prime at 500, just plug in 500 here, take 8% of that, and do the math, you get $60. What does it mean? It means you are located at 500, somewhere here. At that point, the derivative, the slope of the tangent is 60, meaning rise and run. Running one item, because to us this means one item, not 1 second. That's 500 items. You have to rise 60, because that's your slope. Do you guys see what I'm saying? See the whole math. At first, when you see new formulas, you go like, I'm confused. Well, just get used to it first, to speak it, to apply it with some numbers. Then when you have a chance, try to get the concept. Once you get the concept, you'll love it. At least I do. You could tell, guys. I do math, nothing else, pretty much. I do math almost like the whole time. On any free time, if I have nothing to do, I do math. I think this page is so clear that sometimes I don't even see it in books. Or maybe it is in books, but it's not like that simple. What do you think? So the marginal or the cost for the new item after 500, which means the 501 is gonna cost you $60. You plug it in the derivative. Why do you plug in the derivative? Well, to me it's so clear. Hopefully it's clear for you too, and you appreciate that when I have. It's kind of hard to keep doing things like that through the videos, but when I feel like it's not time consuming and I could fit it in with the time, I'll do. Next. Actually, that's it. This is a short one. And thank you for watching. And I have another one right after this. So as I said, tonight I'm recording 3 videos. There's one coming right after this. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.